Alright, this is my Ducati Panigale V2. It's 2022. Got a bunch of parts on it. We got the Rizoma stealth mirrors. Pretty cool. Fold flat. Got the Vandemon full titanium exhaust. It's got a lot of really sweet color on the titanium through the pipes. Shows through on the side there. Looks incredible, sounds incredible. Carbon fiber cover all the way on the back there. Got the quad lock mount, Evotech Performance, Ducati spacers, throttle spacer, and the heat shield kit under the seat and the side panels. KO throttle lock right there. Overall in excellent condition. You know, I got some bugs on the front here. Paint's in great shape, everything else in great shape. No leaks, no issues at all with anything. Battery tender lead there, you can see it blinking. Chain's in great shape, tension's all right. I lube it with chain wax, so it doesn't look as greasy as normal, and it doesn't sling up under the tail here and get all nasty and all over the wheel. Tires have a lot of tread left in them on the rear, and on the front they got good tread. You can see the wear bar there. No leaks on the fork seals or anything like that. Brake pads, I don't know how well you can see it. Plenty of life left in the pads there on the front. Probably can't get a good view of the rear there. It's tucked down. You can kind of see it. Rotors are in good shape. They don't have any scoring or anything. The solo seat, rear cowl, the rear pegs are removed. Go ahead and start it up here. It's already warmed up, so see there, 165 degrees. It's calling out it is due for service here. I'm going to change the oil here tomorrow. Pop in neutral. Double at me. There we go. Rumble at idle without being too insanely loud. You know, it's a lot quieter than a lot of bikes out there, so